Just because you're on a tight budget shouldn't mean you have to compromise on accuracy and performance. Packed with features, a 5-year warranty, and a proven heritage of Tektronix oscilloscope innovations, the TBS 1000B is designed to make everyday measurement tasks more efficient and convenient at an affordable price. It all starts with Tektronix's proprietary sampling technology. Unlike other entry-level scopes, which limit the sample rate when using multiple channels, each TBS 1000B model delivers 10 times oversampling on all channels all the time, and with bandwidths of up to 200 MHz, you won't have to sacrifice performance. To capture waveforms, the TBS 1000B instruments utilize advanced triggering. Customizable edge, pulse, and video triggers enable you to quickly capture your signals, even if they occur randomly or infrequently. Once captured, signal information is easily viewed on the 7-inch high-resolution display. The wider screen efficiently shows waveform data, measurement results, and provides easy access to the user-friendly menu controls, inspired by the user interface found on the award-winning Tektronix mid-range oscilloscopes. You can see even more signal detail by using the magnifier feature. Just adjust the zoom to see 2x, 5x, or 10x magnifications and position the zoom window over the area of interest. To quickly and reliably calculate important signal characteristics, you can add, subtract, or multiply your waveforms using the advanced math capabilities, or access any of the 34 automated measurements, such as rise time, edge count, or frequency. Performing a Fourier analysis is a snap using the dedicated FFT button. The TBS 1000B is capable of simultaneously showing both the frequency and time domain of your waveforms, providing a convenient way to see the relationship between the two domains. 2 integrated 6-digit frequency counters are also standard features. Independent control of each counter's trigger level provides an easy way to measure 2 different signal frequencies simultaneously. The TBS 1000B comes with extensive monitoring capabilities. With the trend plot function, you can conveniently plot data over long periods of time and capture intermittent behavior. Select any one of the 34 standard measurements and then capture and view data trends over minutes, hours, or even days. The limit test function provides an easy way to set up pass-fail criteria for acquired signals. You can define limits as a tolerance band around a single waveform, or by using 2 different waveforms to define upper and lower limits. For questions about oscilloscope operation, you can simply press the Help button to access the context-sensitive help system, which automatically provides information specific to the task you're working on. Some value-priced oscilloscopes make you give up data handling and remote control capabilities. Not the TBS 1000B. It supports easy data transfer and a fully documented command set for remote control. Just one button push saves your waveform or setup data to a flash drive plugged into the front panel USB host port. You can also log data by automatically saving multiple triggered waveforms to the flash drive for a specified time period, or choose infinite for continuous monitoring. A back panel USB device port is backed by a comprehensive set of commands for PC control. Each TBS 1000B comes with high-quality, CSA-approved 10x voltage probes, 1 for each channel. And for more complex measurement needs, Tektronix also offers optional 10x 1x passive probes and compatible current, differential, or high-voltage probes that support a variety of applications. The TBS 1000B series is the next-generation entry-level oscilloscope that offers the best performance, features, and values for research, manufacturing, and service applications.